Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Baleno's fuel economy, a simple task that helps you track mileage accurately. The easiest way is to find the right push rod or knob on your instrument cluster. Make sure your display is showing the average fuel economy or range. Then, simply press and hold that rod for about 3 to 5 seconds. You'll see the display reset, giving you a fresh start for your current trip's fuel consumption data. For more control, you can use the Multi-Information Display, or MID, settings. To enter this menu, press and hold the right joystick or knob on your instrument cluster for about 3 to 4 seconds. Once inside the settings, you can navigate through the various options. Look for the Fuel Reset option, which offers different ways to manage your fuel economy readings. This method provides flexibility beyond a simple manual reset. Within the Fuel Reset menu, you'll find convenient automated options. One popular choice is After Refuel, which automatically clears your average fuel economy reading every time you add fuel to your tank. This ensures you always get an accurate reading for each new tank. Alternatively, you can select with Trip A, which will reset your fuel economy whenever you reset your trip a meter to 0. These settings offer hands-free convenience. Resetting your Baleno's fuel economy is crucial for several reasons. It gives you a precise understanding of your vehicle's performance under different driving conditions, whether in the city or on the highway. Regularly resetting allows you to monitor any changes in efficiency and helps you identify potential issues early. For the most accurate tank-to-tank calculations, always reset your average after each refueling. This simple habit keeps you informed about your car's real-world fuel consumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.